Got some noises going on in the woods over there. We had a neighbor. I think he left this morning maybe to go watch the sunrise or to go get some breakfast or something, but right now it's just me and Inga here in the campground. We're not actually entirely sure of our destination yet today. We're gonna go into town and get all that figured out after coffee. Packed up. We're about to head out here, saying goodbye to the highlands of North Carolina and onward to our next destination. We're on day 17, so that's over 2 weeks on the road, over 2 weeks away from home. We're kind of just settling into our routine at this point because we haven't even hit the halfway point, believe it or not. Nights like last night where you stay in bear country, you have to keep everything in the truck, so in the morning you got to repack it, so it's a little bit more tricky. But we're just kind of used to the ebbs and flows of kind of life on the road at this point. Just used to it, basically. It's all right. I mean, we're sleeping in the back of a truck most of the time, and we're not complaining yet. So everything's going all right. But yeah. We're on our way to our campsite, but we're stuck in traffic, so we're bored. Still sitting in road work, which is actually killing us at the moment because it's Friday, which means finding a camping spot's going to be hard as it is, being that the weekend's coming up here. So we need to get there as early as possible. We've kind of made it out of the road work finally. The line of cars going the other way just keeps going. Looks like we finally reached maybe the end of the road work. We'll see. So we just crossed the Eastern Continental Divide. There was a sign on the side of the road. There really wasn't much other than that, so. But I figured I would at least announce it on camera. Campground, Curtis Creek Campground, which is the one we were going to go to originally tonight, was full, or at least they had a bunch of spots that were reserved with nobody actually parked in there. It was a lady who said she bought too many by accident and was trying to sell some of the extra spots. We didn't really want to get involved in that, so we actually just kept driving up this dirt road here, and yeah, along the road there's different primitive spots with numbers on them and with fire rings as well. So we do have a designated spot. We got the post right there, although somebody took our number down. I don't know what town we're in, or county for that matter, but we're up above Curtis Creek Campground. There's Inga in the back of the truck. And then over here is the little fire pit area. There it is. And as you keep going, it's actually a hiking trail here as well, which we went a little ways, but not too far. Who knows, maybe tonight at some point we'll walk down there. It's still pretty early. It's only like 2:15 in the afternoon. Didn't take us too long to get here. And yeah, we're either gonna stay here for one night. We could stay here for two technically because it's free. It doesn't cost us anything. But we're thinking we might move on to Virginia tomorrow and find somewhere like at a state park or something like that State parks have been good to us recently, so. Get this fire going. Get dinner started. Got the GoPro time lapsing. Try not to be lazy about capturing footage and stuff like that. Sometimes I am, because sometimes it's been a long day and I just want to relax. All right, here we go. We got some Light Life Italian sausages. All right, still cooking these Light Life Italian sausages here. I'm trying to slow cook them. Taking my time, I'm not in any hurry. Looking for Sasquatch. See what's out here in the woods at night. Is there something down here in the mountain? Don't see anything. Let's go over here to the trail.